Environment engineering, the fourth class. We are discussing first question, minimum size of rainwater pipe. That is answer 100 mm. Second question, kitchen sink are fixed from floor level 90 centimeter. Answer 90 centimeter. Third question, tools used for bending G pipe. Answer, pipe bender. In fourth question, carbon percentage of low carbon steel. Answer is 0.25 percentage. Fifth question, major iron contained metals are called ferrous metal. Sixth question, the cement mortar ratio for stoneware pipe joints. Cement mortar ratio for stoneware pipe joint is answer 1:1. The seventh question, fittings used at the top of ventilation pipe. Answer is when cowl. Eighth question, which type of threads are used at a GI pipe? Answer, BSP threads. That means British Standard Pipe Threads. Ninth question, pumps used for pumping from bore wells. Answer, airlift pump. 10th question, cast iron pipes are located with coated with bitumen paint. BSP means British Standard Pipe Thread. 12th question, the fittings used for directing pipe lines for 90-degree. Answer, elbow. 13th question, top part of water heater, which valve is used for to protection? Valve for used to protection. Answer, dead weight valve. Dead weight valve is used for protection, which is installing water heater. 14th question, 1 inch is equal to 2.54 centimeter or 25.4 mm. 15th question, the Persian blue is used to dash surface, filed and finished surface. 16th question, the tool used for removing drills and socket from drilling machine. Answer, drift. 17th question, another name of self-locking nut. Self-locking nut. Answer is Simon lock nut. 18th question, number of teeth in 12-inch tenanza. 12 to 14 teeth. 19, general filing work, which file is used? Answer is bastard file. 20th question, which well is called percolation wells? Answer, low depth wells. Today discussing 20 question and answer here. So please subscribe, like and share. Thank you. We will meet with the next video.